As we are working with data types in Oracle PLSQL, string or character data, there are fixed length strings, variable length strings, and character large object. Fixed length strings is right padded with spaces to the length specified in the declaration. Variable 1, character 10. Here is a character data type variable with data type CHR size 10, and value of this variable is 3 characters. Other size will remain right padded with spaces, but in variable length there is no padding in this data type. That is varchar. Character large objects are variable length strings that can be up to 128 terabytes. String value can be literals or variables. A string literal begins and ends with a single quotation mark. This is a string literal. Literal cannot be changed during the execution of program, but character value of variable can be varied, can be changed during the execution of program, can be mixed. We already used number, character, and data type at the time of table creation in SQL.